Coming up later in this video.
I don't understand why it keeps going crazy. I didn't try and refill it.
But first...
Hello everyone, Kitobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. We're going to do another Dutch pour with the awesome new head that I've created. I'm getting used to it. It's fantastic. I'm very happy. I've already poured out the base, which was white, mixed with my new pouring medium. So I've changed up the pouring medium since last video. We have violet, we have a pastel blue, we have a pastel green, and we have silver. None of them have Floetrol in them, so this one's going to probably not have lacing. Probably won't have any of the cells either, but we'll see what happens. Now the silver is heavy, so I'm going to put that on last because it will sink to the bottom anyway. So I'm going to start off with violet. I hope you're all doing well. As we've been doing more and more of these videos, you'll have seen that my technique is getting a little bit better. That was the whole idea, especially of splitting up the creation process into seasons as well. So as the seasons progress, you should see my character develop more, like a TV show. This is the silver. Beautiful. Wow, that's... I don't understand why it keeps going crazy. I didn't try and refill it. Let's get to blowing. Oh, hang on. Lovely. I like it. A little bit of cell action there. A little bit of lacing through there. I don't know how that's happening. Cool. You know what? I think here just needs a little bit more blowout. Yeah, here just needs a little bit more. Right, stop messing with it. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to bring you in. Woohoo! What do you think about that? A little bit of lacing there, that's lovely. Some cells in here. Feels kind of ethereal. I'm glad I'm experimenting with the green. Very similar colour palette to the circle I did. I'll chuck a link in the description and on the screen for a card right now, top of the screen, for one that used very similar colours, if not actually the same colours, just slightly different variations. I like it. I like that a lot. I need to develop my little mouth blower just a fraction more before I use it, but I'm just going to blow that there with the hairdryer. I would have liked to have used the mouth blower, but yeah, I've got to work on it a bit more. It goes straight out instead of diffusing or condensing. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this portion of the video. The next part of the video, you'll see Katobi from the future looking at the painting dried, varnished, and he'll be having a conversation with you. So listen to what he's got to say. Thanks for watching this portion. Do you like it? I don't care if you like it. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I really do. I was a bit torn with this beautiful one, putting the two arcs the way I did, having to blow towards each other. There was some logistical troubles, you could say. Troubles? Maybe not troubles, but definitely some logistics to overcome. And I really feel like there was success there. Now, normally with these, I look at them and, you know, sometimes I don't see anything because it's abstract art. But I want to explore. I want to share with you what I see in this one. I see a mystical land. I see a mystical floating island. This is the foreground. Foreground? Yes. And that's the background. Okay. Here is the castle. It's like a spire. Surrounded by water. Waterfall here. You got the clouds all out throughout here. Big wall behind. It's just beautiful. It's sitting also nice and high, so the water comes down here. That's some of your walls. So it's also floating within the broken landscape that's floating around. I get more of a floral feel to it. I enjoy that. I notice I don't turn them around a lot of the time because I feel some of them speak when they sit the way they do, and that's why I try and present them to you in that way. But this one I think is open to many interpretations, and I would love to know what you think of it. This way also feels like there's a landscape where you have the background hills, and you're looking down, so you'd probably be on a mountain. You know, you're standing up top looking down and towards. So this would be the open crevice. Maybe there's water flowing down here. Landmass over this side, big broken land through here. It really is open to interpretation. I love it. Thank you for watching this part of the video. Now let's have a look at the flyover.